Find the inverse of g of x equals 1 over x minus 2. First things first, unlike g of x, let's call it y. Y equals 1 over x minus 2. Now the first major step in finding the inverse is swap the x and the y. So x equals 1 over y minus 2. Now we're going to solve for the new y. Add 2 to both sides, add 2 to both sides, cross you out, x plus 2 does not combine. Now, common sense would tell us, and we're allowed to do this, that if 1 over y equals x over 2, what we could do is just do a little flipperooski. 1 over x plus 2 equals y over 1. You're allowed to do that. Now, y is all by itself. Looks like that. And we're going to rewrite y as g inverse of x. So g inverse of x equals 1 over x plus 2. Yay.